Hey, this is Dr. Jean-Guy here, and today I would like to introduce you to Dr. Elena. And she's going to be here on April 12th for our open house, and I am super excited to introduce to you Dr. Elena today, and I want her to just say a few words and for you to just get to know her a little bit. So Dr. Elena, why don't you tell us about what we're going to learn and how we're going to be blessed by your presence there on April 12th.
First of all, thank you for having me at the open house. I will be there April 12th from 9 to 12. Bring your questions. If you're curious about hormone replacement therapy, whether you're a candidate or why should you consider it, I'll be happy to answer all your questions. I specialize in hormone therapy, and I use functional medicine as an algorithm to figure out the root causes for why you may have certain symptoms and how we can correct those while you're cycling, if you're a cycling woman, so in perimenopause, in menopause, but also for men in andropause.
Well, that's great. Well, we're looking forward to have you.
Thank you.